So, obfuscation. What is that really? It's a fancy word for a simple and frankly a dirty trick, making things confusing on purpose to hide the truth. It's not about actually disproving the facts. It's about creating so much noise and chaos that people can't tell what the facts are anymore. You gotta remember this word. It's the key to this whole story.
And here's the thing. This whole strategy of obfuscation, it wasn't just some desperate one-time move. Oh no, they refined it. They turned it into a calculated, step-by-step, repeatable strategy, a script. Welcome to the Denial Playbook.
And the playbook has 4 core steps, and they're shockingly simple. First, you attack the science. You don't have to win the argument, you just have to create the impression of a debate. Second, you fund your own alternative research, designed specifically to create doubt. Third, you loudly declare there's no scientific consensus, using the very doubt you just paid to create. And fourth, and this is the masterstroke, you shift the blame.